And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Waltz bronze level routine to the count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good, and now let's look at same choreography, this time in slow motion. So we take preparation step, and then we dance natural spin turn. Notice lady's brush here. Then reverse Corte, man closes feet without weight. Then back whisk. And chasse from promenade position. We continue with step outside into very basic natural turn, 2 bars. And we finish routine with closed change. Very good. Now let's look once again from opposite angle. So we take close hold, preparation step, and then we dance natural spin turn with lady's brush between 5 and 6. Then reverse Corte, man closes feet without weight. Back whisk. From here we dance chasse from promenade position. Continue with step outside into natural turn, 2 bars. And we finish with very basic close change. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.